Hi everyone, this is Teacher Hazetee, and for this tutorial, you're going to learn how to download resources from the DepEd Commons. So, without further ado, let's check this out. And we're back to our tutorial. So, like what I told you, we're going to download resources from the DepEd Commons. And the first thing that we have to do is to open our browser. So, I'm going to use Opera for this tutorial. Ayan, so we have here a new tab. So, now at the address bar, you have to type there commons.deped. Ayan, commons.deped.gov.ph. So, ayan. Type that on the address bar and then you'll see an interface that looks like this. Ayan, so that's DepEd Commons already. In dark mode nga lang siya, no? Ayan, so there's a link to the DepEd LMS portal but we're not gonna delve on that. So, dito tayo, scroll down a bit. Select a grade level, ayan. So, once you hit that drop-down menu, ayan, you will see there a lot of choices. Ayan, we have E2 Live, Virtual Education, Spotlight, ALS, Inclusion Program, Special Curricular Programs, Kinder, Grades 1 to 10, Senior High School Batches 1 to 3, Applied, Core, and Specialized, Grade 11 and Grade 12. So, for us to be safe, ayan, you have to know muna what is the category of the subject you're looking for. Like, for example, we have Oral Communication in Context. That's a core curriculum subject, meaning it is taken by all students regardless of strand. Okay, so I'm just gonna select here core subjects. Yan. And then head back to that menu, and then for the subject, I'm going to choose from here. Ayan, so there are choices here na. So we have pagbasa at pagsusuri, MIL, disaster, earth and life, earth science, and so. So I'm going to look for oral communication in context. Ayan, so oral com, and then click that, and then head back to the menu, and then press search, the search button here in blue. So click that. Ayan, and then let's scroll down if it yielded results already. So, ayan siya. We already have results. So, this is now the module in oral communication in context. That's quarter 1, module 1. And then, followed by all the other resources that are yielded by the results. So, ayan siya. Ganyan lang siya kabilis. So, now, I'm just gonna click this quarter 1, module 1 because that's what I need right now. So, click that, ayan, and then you'll see the thumbnail again, and then more details about the module. Ayan, so it has 2 5-star ratings and 6.6 thousand downloads. So there are 3 likes here. So now we have this blue button right at the lower right part of the screen. Ayan, so you can just hit that download file, click that. Ayan, so it shows you yung download options natin, where to save the file. Ayan, and then I'm just gonna hit download, wait for that file to finish downloading, and maybe just head on there. And so ayan, it says that the download has finished. So I'm just gonna head on to downloads and open that file using my device PDF reader. So, eto na siya. Eto na yung module, and so now I can read the module on my own and I can study on my own with the use of this learning material from DepEd. Ayan. So, let's head back and check out what are the other resources available sa DepEd Commons apart from the module in oral com. So, let's explore. Ayan. The subject. So, balik tayo dito sa menu, and then let's check out applied subjects. Ayan, so let's choose the subject here dito sa drop down. Ayan, so you can see now that there are subjects like AYAP, entrepreneurship, empowerment. Creative writing is actually a specialized subject. Baka nagka-error lang sa tagging, no? Practical research, inquiries, investigations, and immersion. Ayan, so let's look for resources sa PR1. Ayan, and then search. So, these are the search results. Ayan, so there are lessons, ayan, in PR1. So these are presentations actually. We also have modules, ayan, qualitative research, modules 1 to 4, and yun. We can also head to the specialized subjects and then search for a subject that we like. So we have TVL, ICT, UMS, TVL, EIM. So we have tour guiding, ABM, STEM, automotive, sports track, and whatnot. So let's explore yung sa ABM. Let's try it. Yan. And then search. Yan. So we now see that there are online reviewers. Ayan. So this is a game or a puzzle. We also have here yung name of the author. Ayan. So you can reach them if you have questions. We have a resource here for business ethics. Ayan. We also have fundamentals of accounting, business and management 1. And ito, FABM 1. Siguro to fundamentals of ABM. And that's it for our tech tutorial on downloading resources from the DepEd Commons, and I hope that you get to use that and then you can find the resources that you need and other supplementary learning materials from the DepEd Commons. And with that, this is Teacher Hazetee. For more tutorials and videos like this one, you may follow me and check out my socials. That's Hazel Angeline E. Tesoro on YouTube and Teacher Hazetee on Instagram and Facebook. See you on our next tutorial video. Bye!